Hello viewers, here we have a Room2Room Succulent Fountain with LED lights. Oh jeez. Anyways, this I paid $4 for, and it's probably a total piece of junk, but I kind of wanted something like this for the bedroom, so we'll take a gamble for $4 and see if it's any good. It's got a piece of like wrapping paper in there, so I wonder if this was a gift and somebody didn't like it. Here's the instruction manual. 1 bag of river rocks. Oh, I didn't get the river rocks. I didn't get the 1 bags of it. That's fun. I can produce some of those. Well, let's see what we have here. It's super cheap, obviously. This is just like plastic. Well, let's put some batteries in here just for the very short term. I'll use these stupid garbage Leica-cell junk, garbage, trash, worthless batteries just for like 3 minutes to see if it works, and then I'll take them out because they'll leak and ruin the equipment. Okay, so it's already running. Sounds awful. Let's put the water in and see what happens. Okay, maybe it needs more water than that. It's starting to do something now. I think it still needs more water though. Oh, it just primed or whatever, now it's working. Let's add some more water though. Well, aside from the fact that it's splashing all over the table, it's okay. Yeah, well that's not going to work if it gets the table all wet. Maybe I put too much water in. Let's try taking some of the water out. It's a little bit better. It's still splashing out some places though. Have to put it on like a plastic pan or something to contain the water. Well, it's not totally outrageous, but it's definitely a little bit outrageous. I guess for $4 it's okay. Well, we'll see how long it lasts.